Santa Fe. My name is Craig Wheatfeld, and I'm with Bell Tower Keller Williams. I've lived in Santa Fe now for over 28 years, and I've learned to love this city, its uniqueness, its culture, its history, its architecture, and the wonderful people that live here. There's endless opportunities for entertainment in Santa Fe, from walking on Canyon Road and checking out the gallery scene, to strolling the plaza and checking out the world-famous architecture that we have. Every home has a story. My job is to match your personality with that history to create memories that last a lifetime. If I can help you find that perfect home, just go to my website, take a look at what we have to offer. Better yet, if you're strolling the plaza, just come by my office on Palace Avenue. See our listings at belltowerkellerwilliams.com.